Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa NAIA International Airport. And today, let's go to Iloilo City. Yeah! So yan na guys, flight 5J463 bound to Iloilo. Let's go! Ayan na, sasakay na tayo na airplane. Time check guys, 2:30 AM. So maaga yung flight natin. So 1 hour and 30 minutes ang flight natin mula Manila to Iloilo. Alright, so upo na tayo. Mga biyahero, ang bayan ng Iloilo ay matatagpuan sa Visayas. At ang Visayas ay nahati sa tatlong bahagi, ang Western Visayas, Central Visayas, at Eastern Visayas. At ang Iloilo ay matatagpuan sa Western Visayas, sa isla ng Panay. At ang Panay Island ay nahati sa 4 na probinsya, ang probinsya ng Antique, Aklan, Capiz, at Iloilo. And the province of Iloilo is known as the heart of the Philippines, since it is located in the middle of the archipelago, and its capital is Iloilo City. And Ilonggos are famous for being soft-spoken and sweet. That's why it's called the City of Love. And it takes more than an hour flight from Manila to Iloilo. Alright guys, time check 4 AM. So dito na tayo, touchdown, Iloilo, the City of Love. Yeah! So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Iloilo International Airport. And ayun na yung sundo natin. Let's go! Alright, captain seat. Okay. Captain seat tayo guys. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Ferrymar Hotel, Iloilo. So guys, ito yung hotel. Ferrymar Hotel. Ayan. Free wifi, Starlink. May elevator. Coffee. Ayan. Restroom. So may free coffee. Welcome aboard. Experience Maritime Hospitality. So yan, madami kami ngayon. Family kami. Consists of 20 packs. So bali 2 van kami na magtutour dito sa Iloilo. So yan guys, punta na tayo sa room natin. Let's go. So yun guys, ayan, akyat na tayo. So 4th floor tayo. Ayan.
Parang katulad din ng pinag-stayan natin sa Cebu, no?
So yan, dito na tayo sa 4th floor. 4, 12, 7, 8. Bye-bye.
Uy, pentang to.
Ay. So yun, naliligaw kami. 412. Dito. So yun guys, talaki nitong hotel na to hanggang 8th floor. So ito yan. 412 kami. So ito yung room keys. Tapos yeah, may free wifi na rin siya.
Parang pususin natin sa kwarto na.
Okay. Open na. So, ito yung room. Ayan, may salamin. Ayan, may kainan. So, for 2 beds. May TV, mabango. Sobrang linis niya, guys. Sobrang linis. May aircon. May cabinet din. May initan ng tubig. May baso. So, maganda. Maganda yung room. So guys, ito naman yung menu nila. Sailor's Cafe menu. Meron silang appetizer, soup, vegetable, fish, seafood, chicken, beef, pork, sandwiches, pasta and noodles, sailor's plate. Extras, ayan. So, post nyo na lang. Yeah. So yung breakfast is served from 7 AM to 10 AM at Sailor's Cafe. All rooms are strictly non-smoking. Room cleaning from 9 AM to 4 PM upon request. Please dial 0. Room service available 7 AM to 9 PM. Front desk is open 24 hours. Ayan. Perimar Hotel. Tapos check naman natin yung CR. So, yun yung CR. Ayan, malinis, puting-puti. Parang bagong-bagong gawa pa. Meron ding heater, shower. Ayan, meron din bidet. So, yun. Okay, breakfast na.
Morning po.
So, ito guys yung canteen nila. Ayan, laki din. Okay, so check naman natin kung anong breakfast nila. Morning. Ayan, may rice, egg, hotdog, and ayun. Meron din bread, pwede tayo mag-init ng bread. Ayan, may palaman, and juice. Ayan guys. Ang laki din niya. Ayan, meron din palang soup. So, kuha tayo ng soup. And init din tayo ng tinapay. So, ito na guys. Kain na tayo. Let's eat.
Higop. Hindi, higop.
Galing naman. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. And next, let's go to Gimbal, the town of rising sun and sands, where we can see the Vanishing Mansion, and go to Garin Farm Pilgrimage to take 480 steps going to the top to see the heaven on earth. Yeah. Touchdown guys, heaven on earth.